A man was shot and his two children, ages 8 and 4, were injured during a gun attack at their home on Upper Oxford Street in Hannahtown, Kingston on Wednesday morning. The dead man has been identified as 55-year-old Mark Mackenzie. The children, both students, have been admitted to hospital. Reports reaching Observer Online are that about 3 a.m., several men armed with guns entered the yard and went to the house of the now deceased, who was asleep in bed with the children. They reportedly then opened gunfire, hitting them. Mackenzie, the police said, received gunshot wounds to the face and chest, while the children were shot in their legs. All three was rushed to hospital where the father was pronounced dead. The children were treated and then transported to another medical facility. Police in St. Anne are reporting the murder of 2 people and the wounding of another in separate incidents in the span of 2 days. The deceased persons are 41-year-old Carol Llewellyn, a security supervisor of Jacks River St. Mary, and Oden Hall, a laborer of Stairtown in St. Anne. In the latest incident on Tuesday, Llewellyn was reportedly gunned down in a drive-by shooting in Prairie. The lawmen said Llewellyn and another woman was standing in the community about 9 p.m. when they were pounced upon by gunmen traveling in a white Toyota Axio motor car. The police were called to the scene and the wounded persons was taken to hospital where Llewellyn was pronounced dead and the other woman admitted for treatment. In the other incident, Hall was shot and killed during an alleged altercation with a man at a plaza in Ocho Rios. Police say around noon on Monday, an argument developed between Hall and a man, which was quelled by lawmen who were summoned to the scene. Hall reportedly left the area and returned with a knife and confronted the man a second time. He reportedly attacked the man and was shot. Hall was assisted to hospital where he succumbed to his injury. Police are investigating both incidents. 2 cousins have been arrested and charged after allegedly pointing a firearm at an elderly woman in Bethel Town in Westmoreland on Saturday, December 2. The juveniles, who are both 17 years old, have been charged with assault at common law and possession of a prohibited weapon. Reports from the Bethel Town police are at about 11 a.m. both boys were traveling on a motorcycle when one of them allegedly pulled a firearm from his waistband and pointed it at an elderly female. A report was made to the police and one of the boys was taken into custody. The other boy was later accompanied by a relative to the police station. Both boys have since been charged. Their court date is being finalized.